Hello, my dear friends.
Hello.
A very good evening to all of you.
Very good evening.
How are you?
I'm fine and you?
I am also fine. Thank you. Firstly, I would like to thank my sir for giving me a golden chance to speak my intro. So far as my topic is concerned, my name is Muhammad Samir Ansari. I live at Ramsha. I am 15 years old. My father's name is Muhammad Kalamuddin Ansari. He is a mason. My mother's name is Roshan Tara. She is a housewife. My qualification is class 9. My hobbies are playing cricket, playing kabaddi and other games. My favorite color is white and my favorite actor is Allu Arjun. My aim is to be a doctor. So far as my daily routine is concerned, I wake up at 4:50 in the morning and I get up at 5 o'clock. Then I get fresh, bath and brush my teeth. Then I dry my hair and I take my tea. After that I ready to go to coaching. Then I go to coaching at 6:30 and I return coaching to home at 8 o'clock. After some time I take my breakfast, then I clean my cycle. I go to school at 9 o'clock with my friends. My prayer starts at 9:30. Then my class starts at 10 o'clock. Then I eat my lunch at 12:13. After that, we play in the ground. My class continues at 1 o'clock. Then class finish at 3 o'clock and I go to my home. Then I go to English spoken class at 3 o'clock. After that, I return English spoken class at my home at 5 o'clock. Then we play my friends and I read 1 hour. After that, I eat at 8 o'clock. Then I walk 30 minutes and I read 1 hour. This is my daily routine. Thank you so much for listening me carefully.
When do you go to school?
I go to school at 9 o'clock.
When do you walk?
I walk in the morning.
Do you know how to swim?
Yes, I know how to swim.
You want to walk in the morning?
Yes, I want to walk in the morning.
Have you seen the Taj Mahal?
No, I have not seen the Taj Mahal.
Who is your favorite batsman in IPL?
My favorite batsman in the IPL is Rohit Sharma.
Used you to go to Patna?
Yes, I used to go to Patna.
What is the population of India?
The population of India is approximately 1.42 crore.
In which class do you read?
I read in class 9.
Do you like to watch movie?
Yes, I like to watch movie.
Which is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is KGF.
Do you watch the cricket?
Yes, I watch the cricket.
Which is your favorite team in IPL?
My favorite team in IPL is Mumbai Indians.
Who is your favorite wicketkeeper in the world?
My favorite wicket keeper in the world is MS Dhoni.
Who is your favorite batsman?
My favorite batsman is Rohit Sharma. Thank you so much for listening me carefully. That's all.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
A very good evening to all of you.
Very good evening to you.
How are you?
I'm fine and you?
I am also fine. Thank you. First of all, I would like to thank my sir for giving me a wonder opportunity to speak my intro. As far as my intro is concerned, my name is Gufran Ahmad. I live at Ramsapur. I am 16 years old. My father's name is MD Afzal Hussain. He is a worker. My mother's name is Jabun Nisa. She is a housewife. My qualification is ninth class. My favorite actor is Allu Arjun. My favorite leader is Asuddin Awasi. My favorite color is white. My hobbies are playing cricket, playing football, and playing chess. I want to be an educated person. As far as my daily routine is concerned, I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning and I get up 6:10 o'clock in the morning. After that, I get fresh, I brush my teeth, and I take tea. After some time, take my breakfast and I get ready for go to school. I wear my dress and I comb my hair. After that, I call my all friends and then I all go to school. I go to prayer. My prayer start at 9:30 o'clock, and my prayer end at 9:45 o'clock. After that, my class starts at 10 o'clock, and my class end at 3 o'clock. After that, I walk. After that, I come to my home, and I walk some time, and I play cricket and other games. After some time, I go to tuition to spoken English. My tuition end at 5 o'clock, and I go to my home. I work sometime, and I use a mobile 30 minutes. After that, I take my dinner at 7 o'clock, and I sleep at 8 o'clock. That's all.
Do you prefer coffee to tea?
Yes, I prefer coffee to tea.
Does your brother prefer walking to running?
Yes, my brother prefers running to walking.
Have you been sad me since Monday?
Yes, I have been sad since Monday.
Do you watch the movie?
Yes, I watched a movie.
Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Allu Arjun.
Which is the color of the Taj Mahal?
The color of Taj Mahal is white.
Who is your favorite wicket keeper?
My favorite wicket keeper is MS Dhoni.
Tell me 5 lines about your father.
My father's name is Afzal Hussain. He is a worker. He lives at Ramshapur. He is 60 years old. He is an honest man.
Do you want to eat a mango?
Yes, I want to eat a mango.
Does your brother go on writing a letter?
Yes, my brother goes on writing a letter.
Do you prefer coffee to tea?
Yes, I prefer coffee to tea.
Does your brother prefer walking to running?
Yes, my brother prefer walking to running.
Where is the Burj Khalifa?
Burj Khalifa is in Dubai.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 5 brothers and 1 sister.
Hello friends,
Hello.
a very good evening to all of you.
Very good evening.
How are you?
I am fine and you?
I am also fine. Thank you. First of all, I would like to thank my sir for giving me a golden chance to speak my introduction. So far as my topic is concerned, my name is Yahir Ansari. I live at Ramshapur. I am a student of class 9th. My father's name is Naeem Ansari. He is a worker. My mother's name is Sahana Khatun. She is a housewife. My hobbies are playing kabaddi, playing football, playing carom, any other games. I want to be an army.
Tell me 5 lines about your father.
My father's name is Naeem Ansari. He is a worker. He lives in Saudi Arabia. He is an honest man.
Who is your favorite team in FIFA World Cup?
My favorite team in FIFA World Cup is Argentina.
Hello friends,
Hello.
good evening to all of you.
Good evening.
How are you?
I am fine.
I am also fine. Thank you. First of all, I would like to thank my sir for giving me a golden chance to speak my introduction. So far as my topic is concerned, my name is Ibrahim Saja. I live at Ramsapur. I am 14 years old. My father's name is Akhtar Hussain. He is a worker. My mother's name is Khudaja Khatun. She is a housewife. I am a student of class 9th. My hobbies are playing cricket, playing chess, playing kabaddi. My favorite color is red. My favorite actor is Allu Arjun. My favorite pen is Linklater. I want to be a doctor.
Do you watch the movie?
Yes, I watched two movie.
Which is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Pushpa.
Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Allu Arjun.
Do you like to swim?
Yes, I like to swim.
Which is your favorite bike?
My favorite bike is Ninja S2R.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is white.
Where do you go to school?
I go to school Ronda.
Who is your favorite batsman?
My favorite batsman is Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Who is your favorite wicket keeper?
My favorite wicket keeper is Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
How many teams in IPL?
My favorite team is CSK.
Tell me 5 lines about your father.
My father's name is Akhtar Hussain. He is a worker. He is an honest man. He is 40 years old. He lives in Saudi Arabia.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 2 brothers and no sister.
What is the name of your elder brother?
My elder brother is Hassan Ansari.
Hello, my dear friends.
Hello.
Good evening to all of you.
Good evening.
How are you?
I am fine and you?
I am also fine. Thank you. First of all, I would like to thank my sir for giving me a golden chance to speak my introduction. So far as my topic is concerned, my name is Sarfaraz Ansari. I live at Ramsapur. I am 14 years old. My father's name is Mustafa Ansari. He is a businessman. My mother's name is Taiba Khatun. She is a housewife. My hobbies are playing cricket, playing kabaddi, playing chess. I want to be a doctor.
Does your friend know English?
Yes, my friends know English.
Do you want to read English?
Yes, I want to read English.
Do you like to play cricket?
Yes, I like to play cricket.
Do you prefer coffee to tea?
Yes, I prefer coffee to tea.
Hello, my dear friends. Good evening to all of you.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
I'm fine and you?
I am also fine. Thank you. Firstly, I would like thanks my sir for giving me a golden chance to speak my introduction. So far as my topic is concerned, my name is Anwar Asaf. I live at Ramsapur. My mother's name is Zarina Bibi. My father's name is Yunus Ansari. My qualification is metric. I am doing intermediate. My hobbies are playing chess, playing kabaddi, playing football. My aim is I want to be a doctor.